Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM expresses satisfaction over progress on CPEC projects. Prime Minister Imran Khan has expressed satisfaction over the progress of ongoing projects of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. PM Imran Khan rejects Ogra's summary to hike prices of petroleum products. Special Assistant to Prime Minister on Political Affairs Dr. Shehbaz Gill has said that Prime Minister Imran Khan rejected the summary sent by the Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority for hiking the petroleum products. PM Imran unveils 370 billion rupees uplift package for Gilgit-Baltistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan unveiled a 5-year 370 billion rupees uplift package for the scenic region of Gilgit-Baltistan. Pakistan opens Chaman border crossing for 7 days a week. The Interior Minister has decided to make Chaman border crossing operational for public movement for 7 days a week ahead of Eid ul-Fitr. Federal government decides to replace Governor Balochistan as PM Imran Mulk's names. Federal government has decided to replace Governor Balochistan as Prime Minister Imran Khan has started mulling over different names for the slot. Delivery bikes likely to be banned for main and ring roads. The traffic authorities of Kuwait has decided to impose a ban on delivery motorbikes on main and ring roads due to increase in accidents. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.